Let's talk about the 5 best remote side hustles for moms in 2026. And no, you don't need any special skills to start. Because if you're anything like me, you've had that moment, you're staring at that grocery receipt, then your bank account, then the kids' activity schedule, doing the math, and it just doesn't add up. Everything costs more and more, and the income just isn't stretching. So I went looking for real ways to make money from home. And number 5 on the list is one that I recommend above everything else because it's the one you actually own. So stick around for that one and let's get right into it. And if we haven't met before, hi, my name is Karen. I'm a mom. And back in 2020, I was a totally burnt out graphic designer just trying to make ends meet. No huge audience, no tech skills, no clue what I was doing. Now I run 2 6-figure businesses from home and I built them in the little pockets of time that I had between everything else. So this is real talk from a real mom, not some guru who's never been in the thick of it. Everything on this list is legit and beginner friendly. And as we go through these 5, keep 3 questions in the back of your mind. What do you enjoy? What are you naturally good at? And what would someone actually pay for? Where those 3 overlap, that's your sweet spot. So let's get right into it. Let's start with the easiest entry point of all, affiliate marketing. The simple version of this is you get paid to recommend things you already use and love. When someone buys through your special link, you earn a commission. No product to be made, no inventory, no shipping, no customer service. You're just connecting people to things that solve their problems. So say you post about your favorite meal planning apps, your Amazon must-haves, or a tool that changed your life. You drop your link, and every time someone buys, you get paid. Almost every company has an affiliate program now. Just Google any product you love, okay, plus affiliate program. Here's my honest take though. It's a great place to start because the barrier is so low, but you're only earning a percentage. You do the work of the sale and hand most of the profit to someone else, which is exactly why number 5 became my favorite, but we'll get there. Number 2 on my list is print on demand. And this one's a fun one because you sell physical products without ever touching inventory. You upload a design, and when someone orders, a company prints it out on a mug, a shirt, a tote, whatever you place it on, and then ships it directly to your customer. You never package a thing or go to the post office. So think about a cute design moms would love, like Mama Needs Coffee mug or a funny tote bag, a matching family shirt. You make the design once in Canva, list it, and sell it on autopilot while the print company handles all the messy parts. Now, here's my honest note on this one. The profit margin are a little thinner because the printing company takes their cut for printing and shipping out the actual products. But there's zero upfront cost and zero risk, which makes it a really low pressure way to start. Number 3 on my list is Etsy. And this is the one I'd point most beginner moms to first because Etsy already has millions of buyers searching every single day. You're not building an audience from scratch. You are tapping into one that already exists. So whether you are selling printable, a planner, a print-on-demand mug from a second ago, you list it on Etsy with good keywords and Etsy's own shoppers find you. This is where so many people get their very first sale because the traffic is basically handed to you. My honest note here is Etsy does charge a small fee and you're playing by their rules. So I'd never make it your only home and your only way of making money, but it's a great way to start and it's a great way to get your first sale and hear that little ka-ching, ka-ching, okay? Etsy's absolute gold. Now, let me know in the comments so far, which one of these are you most drawn to so far? Drop the number in the comments. Now, number 4 on my list is Amazon KDP. This one is slept on, okay? KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, and it lets you self-publish low-content books that Amazon prints and ships for you. And low content means exactly what it sounds like. These are things like journals, planners, notebooks, coloring books, puzzle books, things that don't require you to write a whole novel for, okay? So you can make a gratitude journal, a kid's activities book, a meal planning notebook, design it in Canva one time, upload it into KDP, and Amazon handles the printing and the shipping and the customer service as well. You just collect the royalty. And because it's on Amazon, there's built in traffic there too. So, my honest take on this is it can take a little bit for the listings to gain traction, but once they do, they can quietly sell for years with zero extra work from you. That is gold right there. And number 5 on my list, the one I've been teasing, the one I recommend above everything else we discussed in this video, it is creating your own digital products. This gets me fired up because the income potential is real and the overhead is basically zero. A digital product is something you make once and sell over and over and over. Think about a printable, a template, a mini course, a guide, a meal planner, a budget spreadsheet. You can make it one time, you sell it 100 times. And there's no shipping, there's no inventory. It's basically pure profit for you every single time. And here's why it beats everything else on this list. With affiliate marketing, you get a percentage. With print on demand, the printer takes a cut. But when you create your own product, you keep 100% of the profit and you own it. Nobody can take it from you. It's not someone else's thing you're promoting or reselling. It is yours. And you already have a product in you. Think about what people always come to you for. Are you the mom everyone asks for organization tips? Do you have a meal planning system for a big family on a budget? A morning routine that keeps your house running? That is a digital product waiting to happen. You take what you already know, package it up in Canva, and sell it forever. And if you want ideas on what kind of digital products you can create, go ahead and grab my 500 plus digital product ideas guide in the description below. It is completely for free. And if you want me to walk you through exactly how to create that product, how to list it, and actually make sales, even as a total beginner with barely any free time, that's exactly what my Canva to Cash program is. It's built for busy moms doing this in the margins of their day. And this week, use the code YT100, get yourself $100 off. You'll see that in the description below as well. So now let's bring it all home. Number 1 was affiliate marketing. Easy entry, but you earn a percentage. Number 2 was print on demand, physical products, but you don't have to get any inventory. It is thinner margins. Number 3 is Etsy, built-in buyers, perfect for your first sale. Number 4, Amazon KDP, self-publishing, and let Amazon do the work for you. And number 5, my absolute favorite, create your own digital products. Sell it forever and keep 100% of the profit. That's the one you truly own, and it is the foundation everything else is built on. Now, here's my advice. Don't try all 5 at the same time. Pick one, start there, and stack the rest over time. That's exactly how I built this from my kitchen table. So I hope this was helpful. And if this helped you, definitely like this video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which hustle you're starting with. I'll see you in the next one.